Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture over on the Craft app. So in order to change your profile picture on the Craft app, all you need to do is open the Craft app, just like this. And once you've done that, you will most likely be at this screen. If you are, simply go to the top left corner of your screen and click on this little arrow icon right here. And then you will be at this screen, which is basically the main screen. Once you've done that, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on your profile picture right here, which is most likely default right now. Once you've done that, click on your name and email right here and then click on settings. Then right here what you can do is click on my account, and once you've done that you can literally change your profile picture right here by simply clicking on this little camera icon, and then you can either take a photo, you can choose a photo from your gallery, or you can also browse your files. So for example, I want to choose a photo from a gallery. I click on it and then just scroll down till I find a photo I want to use. So for example, my default logo, just like this. All I need to do is add it, and then we can see success, profile image updated. And that's literally all we need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.